Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher door latch assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door latch assembly. The door latch assembly latches the door and tells the dishwasher that the door is closed. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not latching, or the switch is failed and the dishwasher is not going through the cycles. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the door part way. Now that we have the door open, we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to remove the 6 screws that hold the control panel on. Now that we have the screws out, we're going to lift the door up a little bit, not all the way. Just going to lift it up so we can take the control panel off. To get that off, we're just going to pull forward on the top a little bit. And once you have the latch out, you can lift up on the control panel and lift it off the door. And then we're just going to set it right here on the lip of the door so we can take the door latch assembly off. To get the door latch assembly off, there's a couple wires attached to it. You got the tan one on top and the black with the white stripe on the bottom. You use a small flathead screwdriver to help get these off. Just want to be careful and don't let those drop inside the door. Then we can take the door latch assembly off the control panel. It's just held in by a couple plastic locking tabs. So we can get behind with this flathead screwdriver, lift it off. And same thing on the other side. Once you have both tabs released, you can lift the door latch assembly off the control panel. And then we're going to just carefully let the control panel hang. Don't drop it, but just carefully let it hang. Here's the old door latch assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door latch assembly in, we just have to attach the wires to it. Remember, we had the black with the white stripe on the bottom and the tan one on top. Once you have the wires attached, we're going to carefully lift up the control panel and we can set it back in place. Remember, it's just snapped on, so we just have to set it on these locating pins on each side. Once you have it snapped in, we can put the control panel back in. Remember, we're going to put the bottom in first and rotate the top up so the latch comes through the opening. Once you have it in place, we can open up the door and put the screws in. Now we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Now that we have the screws tightened down, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.